Lay means to put something down, while lie means to rest yourself. Number one, I will blank the book here. Now, can you put a book down? Yes. That means we need lay. So the full sentence is, I will lay the book here. Number two, please blank on the sofa. Can you put the sofa down? I would say nope, unless you are Superman moving furniture on weekends. Here we mean resting your body, so it's lie. The full sentence is, please lie on the sofa. Great job. Number three, she blanked her phone on the desk. She's putting something down, so it's laid. Laid, which is the past tense of lay. Read it again. She laid her phone on the desk. Nice work. Number four, he wants to blank down now. Can he put something else down? Nope. He wants to rest himself. That's lie. So he wants to lie down now. Perfect. Moving on to number five. Can you blank the baby gently? Can we put the baby down? Yes, carefully, of course. That means it's lay. So, can you lay the baby gently? Poor kid probably just wants to sleep. Finally, number six. I feel tired. I'll blank here. Are we putting something down? No, it's just me collapsing after a long day. That's lie. So the sentence is, I feel tired. I'll lie here. Great job, you're rocking this. So, quick recap. Lay means to put something down, and lie means to rest yourself. Now go try the extra exercise by yourself, and then check the answer near the end of this video. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, who works hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. Thanks, my friend.